we will going to take up one more sketch and how to create the sketch and constrain the sketch by using the dimensional constraint and also by using the geometrical constraint. So to do this, first I will go for sketch, click on the front plane and then go to circle, and first we'll start creating from this reference. I will go for the circle and I will draw a circle of diameter 14. So I'll go for circle, select some point, draw a circle by using the dimension, give the diameter as 14 because he has given the radius as 7. And then I'll go for coincident, select on the center point of the circle to the origin point. Then I will go for one more circle here, that is the radius is 14. I'll go for circle, dimension, radius is 14, that means it is the diameter is 28, and go for constraint, click on concentric, select this circle to this circle. Then from here I want to draw one more circle on the left side which is at a distance. I will go for circle, I will draw one circle on this side. So the dimension for this is diameter 36. I'll go for dimension, take this as the diameter is 36. Then I want to constrain dimensionally now. Here I'll go for dimension, select this circle to this circle. So the dimension is 46. So you give this distance as 46 along the horizontal axis. And then from here to this on the vertical direction, it is 56. So I want the 56 dimension here. Then I want the one more circle of radius 9. Okay, so here I will go for circle, go to dimension, take the diameter as 18 and go to constraint, concentric between these two now. Then I have this slot, the radius 9, and I will draw from here. I want to draw a line. So here from this I will go for a line. I will draw one line here horizontally. Similarly, I want to draw one more line in the horizontal direction, and then I go for tangent, select this line tangent to this circle. Okay, similarly I want this circle tangent to this, and then I will go for extend. So now we have the profile, and go for trim, select on this side and you select on this side and on this side. Similarly this one on this side. So we have the profile drawn on this side of the sketch. So similarly I want it on the other side, that is on the right side now. So you come down to fit. Okay, then you take pan on this side. Then I want to draw a circle of radius 7. So the diameter is 14. I will go for circle, go to diameter is 14. Then we have one more circle of diameter 28. Go for circle, go to dimension, select this and give it as 28 because radius is 14. So I will go for constraint, go to concentric between these two now. Sorry. Yeah. Then I want to give the dimension for this. The dimension from the center of this to center of this in the vertical direction, I want the dimension to be 39. So you keep the distance as 39. Then from here, I want it in the horizontal direction. So take between these two and give the dimension as 60 now. So now we have both in the horizontal and vertical direction, we have constraint now. So now I want to draw a horizontal line from here, from both the sides. I will remove the dimensions, disable this. So now I will draw a line here of any length. Similarly, on this side also, I want to draw one more line. So both these two lines are tangential to this. Okay. So go to constraint, select tangent, select this circle tangent to this, select this line tangent to this now. So now we will going to use the trim portion and remove this extra portion here. So now we have this. I want to draw a circle here passing through this for radius 18. So I'll go for circle, select this, and I will draw a circle. So what is the radius means? 8 is 16. So give the diameter as 16. Okay. Now I will take this selection and I will take this line further here. Okay. Then I want to draw tangentially to this. So, okay, I will go for constraint, select tangent, select this circle, tangent to this, and select this circle, tangent to this now. So now we have this portion. So I want to remove the extra now. I will go for trim, select on this side and also select on this side. So we have this portion now. Now I want to draw one more circle here, which is at a distance of 49 from this, but here he has not given any dimension for this. Okay, so first we will do one thing. I will draw a line from here. I will draw one horizontal line. Again, go for tangent, select on this tangential to this, and now I will trim this portion. Yeah, so now we have this line constructed. Now I want to draw tangentially to this and as well as this. So if I want to draw this radius 7, you have this is radius 14. But since it is the dimension, the center point of this has to be considered now. So to do that, so first we will try to complete this portion. So I'll come down to this and I want to draw radius 49. Okay. So to do that, I will go for create, go to arc, select 3-point arc, select on this and you select on this and you take this dimension. So now you go to constraint, select tangent, select this circle tangential to this arc. Similarly, this arc tangential to this. Now you give the radius as 49. Go for dimension, select this and give the radius as 49. This portion is over now. So then I want to draw a circle here. So I will just go to this circle. First, I will try to create one circle here. Let us see. Then I want to give the dimension of this. Radius is 14. Radius is 7. Dimension is 14. Then I want to give this horizontal dimension. So I will go for dimension. What is that? 49. So I'll go for dimension between this circle. So go to dimension. Go to dimension between this circle and this circle. Give the dimension as 49. So now we have this. Again, that is not at the center. Okay. So I want to draw a circle here. Okay. Radius is 14. Okay. So now I will take this point out. Okay. On this side only it will move. Okay. Now I will go for a circle and I will draw one circle here. So the radius is 14. So the dimension is 28. Okay. So I'll go for constraint, go to tangent, select this circle tangential to this line. Go to tangent. Okay. Select this one tangential to this. Okay. So now we have this portion and both these two are on the same line. Okay. So I will go for horizontal, this one with reference to this. Now we have this portion. So now we have constructed this. Now we have locked this portion of the drawing. So then I want to remove this extra. Now I will go for trim, remove this portion. Okay. Then I want to draw this. What is that? This is already fixed. Okay. So I will go for a circle, select this and give the dimension as radius 11 means 22. Then I will go for constraint, take tangent between these two. And again, this circle tangential to this now. Again, I'll go for trim, select this portion and I want to remove this portion and this portion of the drawing and this portion of the drawing now. Okay, similarly on this side. So now we have removed this. So now we have got this entire profile drawn, and the center of this should be on the concentric to this now. I will just go to the center, go to concentric between these two now. Sorry. No, that is not possible. Okay. Now I want this, both are in the same direction. Okay. So I will take this center point. I will just go to move this on this side. Okay. Yeah. So both are not at the same center now. So this should be at certain distance, which is a radius 7. Okay. Then I will come down to this. I will make these two horizontal. Yes, you just click on this, make it this horizontal. Okay. Once you do that, now I will go for constraint concentric. Now I will take concentric between this circle is concentric to this circle now. Okay. Now we have this. Again, I will go for horizontal, this one. So now this entire profile has been constructed now. So now the next portion is I want to create this circle here. This circle is on the same line of distance of 42. So here I will go for circle, select some arbitrary point and then draw a circle. That radius is 6. So I want to go for dimension, take radius is 6 means 12. So now I will go for horizontal between these two now. Once you do that, now we want to go for dimension 42. Select between this and this circle, give the distance as 42. Yeah. So now we have this portion. Then similarly, I want to draw one more circle here. Okay. Which is at a distance of 45 and from here it is 32. So I'll go for circle and I will draw one circle here. The radius of that circle is 11. So dimension is 22. I will give 22. Then I will go for dimension between this and this. I will give this distance as 32. I will give this distance as 32. Yes. And similarly, between this line and this circle will give you 45. So give this dimension as 45. Okay. So we have these two now. Once I do that, then I want to draw an arc passing through this. Okay. I will go for create, go to arc, select 3-point arc between this and give the arc here. So now I will go for constraint tangent, select this arc tangential to this circle. Similarly, select this arc tangential to this. Okay now. So I'll just go to select and I will try to move this. Okay, I'll go for dimension. What is the radius you want? The radius is 21 on this side. Yes, the radius is 21. Let us see how it will take. Yeah, so it is going on the other direction. So here I will just go to select and I will delete this and I will go for an arc, create arc from 3-point, select on this side and select on this side and give the radius. Now you go for tangent, select this arc tangential to this and you select this arc tangential to this side. Go for dimension, go to radius. So the dimension is 21. So give the dimension as 21 on this side. Then similarly, I want to create one more arc here. Okay. Go to create, go to arc, select 3-point arc, this with reference to this and give the dimension. Go to constraint, take tangent, select this arc tangential to this and select this arc tangential to this side. Select on this and you try to move it out now. It is not taking here. So again, I will just go to select and I will delete this. Go to create, go to arc, 3-point, select on this side and you select on this side like this. Okay. And go to constraint, take tangent, select this arc tangential to this side. Similarly, this one tangential to this side. Go to dimension and then take the radius as 36. Give the radius as 36 now. Okay. Once you do that, now we want to remove the extra. Go to trim, select this portion and go select this portion. So this is how you will be able to create this particular profile. And I want to go for the, so this is the entire sketch which is dimensionally and geometrically constrained of this profile sketch. Okay. So now I will just go for the dimensions, create on these dimensions. So this is the actual way of these are the dimensions which I have given for this profile dimensionally. Okay. Then I will take 60 here and here I have 14. Okay. Then I have 22. Then I have 42. Then we have 12. Then you have 14. Yes. Then you have 21. Okay. Then you take this as the radius 21. And then you have 36, 32. This is the radius 36. Okay. So these are all the dimensionally constrained on this side. Okay. Take it on this side. Okay. And you take it inside here. Okay. This is dimensional constraint. Similarly, I will remove this and I will take the geometrical constraint. So these are all the geometrically constrained this profile. So this is how we will be able to constrain this profile both dimensionally and as well as by using geometrically. Thank you.